Welcome to Ride Radar Pro, your go-to channel for the latest in automotive news and updates. In today's video, we're diving into the 2025 new Suzuki Auto Rickshaws. If you're curious about what's new in the world of three-wheelers, stay tuned. Introduction to Suzuki Auto Rickshaws. Suzuki has been a leading name in the auto rickshaw industry, providing reliable and fuel-efficient vehicles for decades. The 2025 models are set to bring a host of improvements, making them more eco-friendly, efficient, and driver-friendly. Let's take a closer look at what's coming. Key features of the 2025 models. The 2025 Suzuki Auto Rickshaws will feature updated engine technology for better fuel efficiency and lower emissions. The new models are expected to include enhanced safety features such as improved braking systems, reinforced frames, and better lighting for nighttime driving. Additionally, a more ergonomic cabin design will ensure a comfortable experience for drivers and passengers alike. Electric version of the Suzuki Rickshaw. Suzuki is also focusing on sustainability. The 2025 line will include electric variants, catering to the growing demand for cleaner and greener transportation solutions. These electric rickshaws are designed to be affordable while offering lower maintenance costs compared to their petrol power counterparts. Please speak the text given the styling. The 2025 Suzuki Auto Rickshaws will come equipped with advanced technology, including digital dashboards, GPS navigation, and real-time tracking. This will help drivers optimize their routes and provide better services to passengers. The integration of mobile apps for fleet management and customer bookings is also on the horizon. Please speak to people who understand how to work with it. Suzuki continues to focus on improving the durability of its vehicles. The 2025 auto rickshaws are designed to perform well on varied road conditions, ensuring reliability in both urban and rural environments. With a stronger chassis and improved suspension systems, these rickshaws are built to last longer and handle heavy usage with ease. The 2025 Suzuki Auto Rickshaws are shaping up to be a game-changer in the three-wheeler market. With better performance, enhanced safety features, and a shift towards electric power, Suzuki is ready to meet the needs of a more sustainable and efficient future. Thanks for tuning in to Ride Radar Pro. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more updates on the latest in automotive innovations.